Hello, Shemai. My name is Simon Thomas and I'm the Chair of the Finance Committee here at the National Assembly for Wales. And one of our primary responsibilities is to scrutinise the spending plans of the Welsh Government. We're a new committee and this will be the first draft budget to be scrutinised by the committee in this, the 5th Assembly. As such, feedback from you, the people of Wales, is vital in informing the views of the committee. Now, we undertook a public consultation over the summer asking for your views on specific areas, which has been extremely informative for us. However, due to the timescales involved, this consultation was undertaken prior to the Welsh Government publishing the draft budget, which has now been published. And we want your views on the figures within the draft budget. And whilst the Finance Committee has the main responsibility for budget scrutiny, your comments will also be used to inform the scrutiny sessions by the other subject Assembly committees. Time for scrutiny of the draft budget is limited. The committee must report by the 29th of November. And as such, we have a dialogue. It's an app for running open discussions online. You can browse the discussion, submit your own ideas, read, rate and comment on other people's ideas. And your ideas will be seen by myself and the Finance Committee. So please use this as an opportunity to tell us your views now the draft budget has been published. Diolch yn fawr.